forecast, guys. Rain is coming in spots around Kern County. Not going to be heavy, but the storm that's coming in is the first storm for the month of November, and it is going to be pretty impressive when it comes through. Here it is, the leading edge of this front now, and it is bringing in some light showers over in the Wasco area. Let's stop the radar right there for just a moment. Zoom into where that rain falls at. It just passed areas near Lost Hills, working its way down the 5, closing up towards Buttonwillow and hitting some spots close to Wasco. I'm not looking at heavy rain, but once the clouds then push and bank up against the mountain areas later today, well, then we could be in for some pretty interesting situations. In fact, take a look at the Futurecast model. By 5 a.m. here, we start it out, and then watch what happens as the day progresses. More potential rainfall moving in towards Fraser Park, Tehachapi, and the Kern River Valley, and then it will just kind of pile up against the western sides of those Tehachapis, and then eventually fizzle out by about noon today. That's when the winds pick up. That's when we're going to see strong winds pick up in our mountain and desert areas. Pretty impressive here when you look at the wind speeds. Take a look. They start picking up by 10 a.m. and then as we move forward throughout the day, after 10 o'clock, strong winds gusting up to 55 miles per hour in our mountain and desert areas until it dies out here by about 10 o'clock here for tonight. So that's when things get quiet. So here's what you need to know. 20-30% chance for morning rainfall till about 10 o'clock, okay? And nothing very heavy. The focus will be more for the mountain areas and East Bakersfield. Those are your spots. Then let's look at the winds. Strong winds gust up to 55 miles per hour, mainly for our mountain and desert areas. But valley floor will be breezy today. And when those winds pick up, you know what it's going to feel like? It's going to feel very cold. Temperatures today dropping to the 40s and 50s throughout the county. This is the coolest day we've seen in a long time. 59 degrees for Bakersfield after temperatures in the 70s and 80s of late, down in the 50s. No rain tomorrow, no clouds, well, maybe a few clouds tomorrow, but we'll start drying out and warming up until the next round of storms roll through Sunday evening into Monday, being our next best chance for rainfall. Now, today in the mountains, very windy, very cool, cloudy. Wouldn't be surprised if there's some fog this morning, but those winds, clouds, rainfall lasting until about 10, 11 o'clock this morning, and then after that we start drying out. But just remember, the winds will be a big issue in the mountains and Kern River Valley areas throughout the day today, and much cooler. Everybody falling a good 15 to 25 degrees cooler throughout the entire region. Even our desert areas, no rain for you, but likely going to be very windy and much chillier throughout the region.